Hello?
Howard, it's Bennett.
It's 2:45 in the morning. Don't you ever sleep?
Listen. Why would Nate single out Jules in the first place? He was obviously sexually attracted to her. And because Jules is predominantly het, he ordered with his fucking creepy magic jog shit. She's so fucking sensitive, she's very forgiving, and she's basically the most wonderful fucking person on the planet. She fell for him. That's why she fucking testified. I'm a genius. I'm a fucking genius. Hey, Mom! I'm a fucking genius! I'm not even tired. It's crazy, I'm not even fucking tired. I feel amazing.
I'll be honest with you, Bennett. You're too close to this case.